And now we move to next picture where a single stroke itself make the body of the bird. We are adding 2 legs and eyes and other features, but all other features like the body's wings as well as its tail have been drawn in a single stroke. Now let us move to next picture. This is a picture of a swan, a white swan, and this also can float over the water. So here is the water, and then we can add some water plants and water flowers there. Okay, we are drawing that, and finally we can color this picture. Now again we draw the picture of a crane with a red color itself, so we don't have to use black or any other color for the body of the crane. Okay, we move to our next picture. Which is this bird? Is this a bulbul? I think so. Okay, we can draw it. So you can see the body and you can see 2 heart shapes in the body. So this is very easy to draw.